guys, I'm Brock, I'm from Link Resources. Today we're going to look a little bit about how to use an EpiPen. You'll learn this in our first aid courses that we run here all the time. So first things first, with the EpiPen, we want to make sure that we call emergency services because this is a severe allergic reaction, so anaphylaxis, and we just need to get them there as quick as possible. The first thing we want to do is look for a name on there. So this one will say Brock McLean, so that's great, so that's me, so it can be used. Then we want to read the instructions. So it'll say pull off the blue cap, so we want to do that. So that's your safety. So once that's pulled off, then it is live and we can get injured from that if we do injure ourselves with it, okay? So the next thing we want to do is make a fist around the object there, and then we want to find a good meaty part on our leg there, okay? Trying to avoid the pocket where there might be a wallet, keys and things like that. We don't want to aim for there. So if we can try and avoid that, but in that nice meaty part, we want to click it in, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hold 3 seconds and release. That then actually hides the needle that's just gone in there, guys, okay? Look, if they've got a second one, hopefully they do, we'll then be able to use that if required at a later time, usually around the 6-minute mark that kicks in. For any other inquiries, contact us here at